Are your legs too fat, too thin, bow-legged, or as beautiful as you'd like them to be? Today, some tips on how to make your legs look shapelier instantly. Here's a tip that will help you to correct your stance. Trace your present foot position on a piece of paper like this. Then draw the correct foot position for your stance. It will help you greatly. This is the glamorizing stance for normal legs. One foot is placed about 4 inches behind the other, with the back toe 1 or 2 inches behind the front heel, with your weight on your back leg. The back heel is turned slightly in toward the center, while the front foot is straight. Now, any type of too heavy leg can be made to look lovelier with the correct stance by creating one line instead of two. The size is reduced and slimmed simply by placing one leg directly in front of the other, bending both knees slightly with your weight on the back leg. Then turn the toes of both feet slightly out with both heels in toward the center. Bow legs can be made to look normal and attractive by placing one foot behind the other at an angle so the back heel does not show with most of the weight on your back leg. Then bend your front knee so it falls over the front of your back leg, and this is what hides the bowed arch. Now, if your legs are too thin, never let them present two separate spindly lines. By always placing them close together, they'll look more shapely. Place the toe of one foot even with the heel of the other, the back foot at an angle with the toe out, the front foot straight with more weight on the back foot. Now, bend your front knee so it just covers the inside line of your back knee, so that your front leg barely covers the inside line of your back leg, for a full, lovely line. Now,
that's all.